Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company to have for you a 1999 Bobcat 863 F-Series skid steer loader. Machine starts, runs, and works very good. It's an older machine. It is equipped with a set of tracks and a rear set of stabilizers off of for a tree spade. That's what this machine's done. It was off of a tree farm and it did transplant trees, but the machine is in very good condition. It is very tight. Tracks are about 35 to 45%, still very good usable tracks. I left them with the machine. Stabilizers are removable. We left them on, left it as a package. It adds a lot of counterweight for the machine. Machine is all original paint. It is a pretty straight old machine. I'll start you back here at the back door. The back door is in very good shape. It's very nice and straight. I learned a lot of these nursery machines. Nursery machines are well taken care of, and generally they're only used in the peak of the quote-unquote season, you know, their growing season when they're transplanting. In the wintertime, these machines set, and they usually kept inside. And you can see that with this machine. A lot of you guys might know I was very sick last year. Didn't get time to get this machine finished up. We're just now getting time to get through some wheel skid loader stuff. Powered by a 73 horsepower turbo Deutz engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no emissions on this machine. We have done brand new heater core hoses here, have been replaced. We did an updated fuel return rail with all new braided hosing. Full service, all oils and filters have been changed. Everything there is excellent. We did do at 3,000 hours, these always have a timing belt put in them. We went ahead, put a brand new OEM, got it from Bobcat. Timing belt and tensioner pulley is in there, so that was taken care of and dealt with. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. Very good running, working machine. New battery. I ended up doing a new back window and a new back window seal for that machine. Back window was cracked, so we went ahead and fixed that. New lift hoses on both sides, all 4 hoses total. No cylinders leak. White paint, again, is all original. Gray's all original. Wheels are original. Wheels are faded, obviously. I left it that way. Rubber's going to all be 30 to 45, 50%. Still in good shape, still very usable. It comes with a very good AIM 84-inch long bottom bucket with a bolt-on cutting edge in very good condition. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. The boom is not welded or busted anywhere up here in the tilt tower area. Quick attach is very good and tight. Cab, one small bend and a grab handle here. Door is all there and complete. We just put a brand new windshield wiper assembly on this machine. The washer even works. New door shock. Glass is excellent. All the glass is complete and in the cab. One other thing I forgot to mention there, with the rear glass, we ended up putting new seals in the rear glass. That had to be done when we pulled the glass to clean it. Seat is excellent. New seat, actually. These little steps here to keep somebody from getting their foot stuck in there. So if you picture like this with that not being there, Bobcat a long time ago, a guy got his foot in there and broke it and sued Bobcat. So they put those pieces of rubber there to keep your feet out. That is what that is for. Interior of the cab's in good shape. Pedals are good. Again, being a tree farm machine, it was very straight. Push my bar down. 3264 on the hours. You're gonna have a fuel gauge, temp, and voltmeter. Does have audio level feature for the bucket, headlights, glow plugs. Back here is going to be for your heater fan and your rheostat. Blower, defrosters here. There'll be a heat exchanger here. Standard controls machine. Cab interior still good. Again, all the glasses in it is cabin heat. Fellas, today there is no such thing as a cheap skid steer. This is an affordable skid steer. It's not a new skid steer. We sell stuff up in the 25 to, we saw the other day, Matt, a $50-some thousand skid loader. I mean, you don't buy much under 20 anymore, but this is something that's an affordable skid steer. We're under that, obviously, but it's not going to be a new machine. It's in good running, working shape. That's all original, and I'm just representing it for what it is. It's a truthful machine that is complete, and here we are in winter, and it's a cabin heat machine. So if you're looking for snow stuff, or if you're a guy that wants to use it around your farm or something, and you want wheeled and tracked, here's something for you to look at. You have those rear stabilizers, yes, they can be taken off, but yes, they also make some nice counterweight. So I'm going to fire this thing up, run around, show you does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. guys, there you have it. 1999 Bobcat 863 F-Series rubber tire skid steer loader. Starts and runs, works good. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of any nature. It is a very affordable skid steer that will go to work today. We can't find anything wrong with it. I've spent a bunch of money in it and I'm very comfortable with this machine. If you want to come by and see it yourself in person, you're more than welcome to do so. We have nothing to hide. We don't buy much in this price point, but I have a machine here that is in that price point. Again, and it is serviced and ready to go to work. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check our website, www.marksupplyco.com. I want to thank all the customers, 2021 season. Look forward to seeing you guys in 2022. Matt's motioning to me. We've got 30 seconds left in the camera. I forgot to charge the battery. Any questions? Again, Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. Merry Christmas, and thanks for checking us out. Thanks for supporting us this year. Have a great day.